Welcome to our comparison of two popular nugget ice makers, the Ecozy Nugget ice maker and the portable nugget ice maker. Today, we'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to see which one is the better choice for your home or office. Both machines promise to deliver chewable nugget ice, but they come with different specifications and price points. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Ecozy Nugget ice maker is priced at $239, while the portable nugget ice maker is more affordable at $199. This difference of $40 may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. In terms of daily ice production, the Ecozy model produces 33 pounds of chewable nugget ice per day, while the portable nugget ice maker offers a slightly higher capacity of 35 pounds. This means that if you frequently host gatherings or need a larger supply of ice, the portable model might have the edge. Both machines come equipped with self-cleaning functions, making maintenance a breeze. However, the Ecozy model includes ice bags for easy storage, while the portable nugget ice maker boasts a one-touch operation for user convenience. Depending on your preferences, these features may sway your choice. In conclusion, both the Ecozy Nugget ice maker and the portable nugget ice maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ecozy offers a higher price point with additional features like ice bags, while the portable model is more budget-friendly with slightly better ice production. We hope this comparison helps you decide which nugget ice maker is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.